Well, for day 8's free response, hopefully you looked at the scoring rubric. It's a short but sweet one for this guy. So please take a look at the explanations written for A and for B. It is not a long one. I believe it's on page 9 of the solution PDF. And let me know if you have any specific questions, but the rubric should be self-explanatory. This now brings us to day 9's concept, which is section 4.3. This was all about the scope of inference and evaluating statistical studies. Short and sweet in terms of the learning objectives. Let's look at some of the highlights we should take away from it. So this section was more about what type of inferences can you make. Remember, when can you make inferences about a population? When can you make inferences about cause and effect? So let's just highlight down here, cause and effect, conclusions can only be made if a treatment was imposed. If it's an observational study, you can never make cause and effect conclusions. When can you make conclusions about the population in general that we're looking at? It means when you've done random assignment is when you can do that. If you like a table to help you visualize it a little bit more, about inferences about a population, were the individuals randomly selected? If yes, then you can make inference about the population. If no, then you can't for that first line. How about inferences about cause and effect? Was a treatment imposed or was it a study? If a treatment was imposed, then yes. So if you answered yes to both of these questions here, you can make inferences about the population. That is the focus.